From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing a few scattered snow showers here this morning, but also a few rain showers here in the Mohawk Valley. Let's take a look at our CAPV tower cam. Again, here in Utica, we are seeing a few light rain showers here this morning, but again, most of our areas are seeing snow. So lake effect snow will be happening here this morning. We do have little accumulation in higher elevations, especially on the grass and on top of cars or surfaces. This lake effect snow is expected to end tomorrow afternoon, so it is going to go into kind of the morning hours tomorrow, and it will end by the afternoon. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, again, this is all forming over Lake Ontario. We do see the heaviest bands are going into Lewis County, the northern part of Herkimer County. We are seeing a little bit in northern Oneida County here this morning, but also a few scattered rain showers, as you can see in the green right there. This snow is accumulating, I guess about 1 to 3 inches is expected up in the North Country especially. It is going to stick. This is all because there is still a low pressure system kind of lingering over Lake Ontario. This is expected to continue to move out for the day today, but we are still seeing some lake effect snow showers today, and we will see a little bit more tomorrow. We will completely dry out tomorrow evening and for the day on Wednesday. So we see on our SkyCast right now, temperatures are in the 30s. We are in the freezing levels in the North Country and the Southern Valley. So if they do get some snow, it is expected to stick, but not here in the Mohawk Valley. It will turn to some mixed showers later on as that temperature does rise into the 40s. But then back into the evening hours, once that sun sets, it will turn back into snow. In the overnight hours, it looks to remain mostly clear, but by tomorrow morning, we are still expecting to see a few lake effect snow showers, especially for the southern valleys for the day tomorrow. This is all expected to dry out tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Before today, we do have a high near 40. Those snow showers from this morning will turn into some mixed precipitation here this afternoon as that temperature rises. In the overnight hours, it will dry out to be mostly cloudy with a low in the 30s. So for tomorrow, we are still expecting some lake effect snow showers throughout the day with a high in the 40s. We are going to be drying out tomorrow evening into Wednesday for mostly cloudy conditions and a high near 50 on Wednesday. And our next system does come back in on Thursday, bringing in some rain. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Sunday marked World Diabetes.
We're saying good morning to Ilion and all of the greater Utica region. Welcome back, everybody. This graphic is the accumulation of snow expected from last night and here this morning before that rain does move in later on in the day. We're expecting about 1 to 3 inches up in the North Country in northern Herkimer and Lewis counties and parts of northern Oneida County. Trace to an inch of snow is expected in the Mohawk Valley and down in the southern valleys here for today. This is all due to lake effect snow that is occurring because of a low pressure system. This is when that cooler air does go over the warm Lake Ontario. This does cause evaporation, and this brings snowfall into our area. So after this snow all clears out, I would say the next good day for just doing any yard work or raking your leaves in general would either be tomorrow later. That snow is expected to clear out by tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. And for Wednesday, we will remain dry for most of the day, but it will be mostly cloudy, so it is going to be a bit cool out there for the next couple of days. Back to you, Gary.
Thanks. The National Weather Service confirmed 2 tornadoes touched down on Long Island on Saturday. Investigators with the National Weather Service looked at several areas where severe weather rolled through. They confirmed that 2 EF0 tornadoes touched down, one in Nassau County and one in Suffolk County. Maximum sustained winds, 85 miles per hour. According to meteorologists there, this is the first time a tornado has hit Nassau County in November. A new study found that more people found it hard to control their blood pressure.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting off the morning to some light scattered snow showers here in our area. It does look like it is accumulating in areas of higher elevation. Let's take a look at our CAPV tower cam. We are seeing a rain-snow mix here in Utica right now, and it definitely is not accumulating on the roadways or on the ground. But we are seeing some lake effect snow here this morning. We are seeing a little accumulation in higher elevations. reports of it sticking to the road as well. So just be careful when traveling here this morning. This will all wrap up tomorrow afternoon, and it will be dry for the day on Wednesday. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, again, we are seeing some lake effect snow showers here from Lake Ontario, pushing into the northern parts of Herkimer County as well as the northern parts of Oneida County. Just a few scattered flurries in the southern valleys right now, but later on, this snow will be changing to rain as that temperature does go up a little bit. We will see a mix later on. This is all because there is still a low pressure system kind of sitting over Lake Ontario. We are seeing lake effect snow here this morning, and again, it will last for most of the day, dry out tonight, and then pick back up again tomorrow morning. So let's look at all that on our SkyCast. This morning, our temperatures are in the 30s, so it is sticking to the areas where their temperature are in the freezing levels, like in the North Country and the parts of northern Oneida County here this morning. We will see those lake effect snow showers throughout the day today, turning into a mix later on as that temperature does rise near 40. It will turn back into snow showers just after sunset once that temperature drops, and it will be mostly cloudy tonight. It will pick back up tomorrow morning, especially in the southern valleys. But again, this all comes to an end tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening for a dry day on Wednesday. Before today, we have a high near 40. Rain-snow mix is expected later on and then drying out in the evening and in the overnight hours with a low in the 30s. We are going to see some scattered snow showers once again tomorrow, but this will dry out tomorrow evening and for Wednesday. Our next chance of rain is on Thursday due to another cold front moving through, and this will bring some scattered snow showers on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Anna, thanks. Helping bring smiles.
Welcome back, everybody. We are seeing a few scattered snow showers here this morning, and on our graph, it will remain scattered throughout the day today. It will turn low in the overnight hours and then jump right back up to scattered for the morning and afternoon hours tomorrow. After 5 p.m. tomorrow, this does die off into low, so we will not be seeing any more snow after tomorrow evening and on Wednesday. So if you are heading out to school this morning, temperatures will be in the lower to mid 30s on the way there. And when heading home, we will reach a high near 40. I would maybe bring the umbrella. It will be a mix of snow showers here this morning and then a rain-snow mix in the afternoon hours today. When you are grabbing your coffee, I would definitely opt for the large. It is not as cold as the past couple of days, couple of weeks where temperatures were in the 20s. It is in the mid 30s here this morning. We are seeing some light snow showers scattered throughout the area. I'll have a look at your commute coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A team of superpower
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are starting off this morning with a few scattered lake effect snow showers in the area. It is sticking to areas of higher elevation. Let's look at our CAVV tower cam. Right now, we are seeing a few scattered rain, snow mix showers here in Utica, but again, especially in the North Country, they are seeing some snow showers here this morning. This is all from lake effect here this morning. A little accumulation is expected in higher elevations, especially from last night as well. This will all wrap up tomorrow afternoon, and it will be dry for Wednesday. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, again, we are seeing a few scattered lake effect snow showers coming off of Lake Ontario. And in the southern valleys, they may be seeing a few scattered lake effect snow showers from Lake Erie later here this morning. This snow is accumulating, especially in northern Oneida County and northern Herkimer County here this morning, so just be careful when driving. It is sticking to roadways. This is all because we are still have a low pressure system kind of lingering over us. This is kind of helping to produce that lake effect snow showers here this morning. This will continue to push through our area throughout the day. We will see rain later on as that temperature does rise into near 40. But then as the evening comes and the overnight hours, we will begin to dry out. So let's look at all that on our SkyCast. We are in the 30s here this morning with a few lake effect scattered snow showers. This will turn into a mix with some rain later on today. And by the evening, when that sun sets, we will be seeing some more snow showers. In the overnight hours, it will be mostly cloudy. When we get into the morning hours tomorrow, these lake effect snow showers will pick back up again, especially for the southern valleys. This will all wrap up Tuesday evening and we will be dry on Wednesday. But later on today, we are going to see a mix or maybe even just some rain with temperatures near 40. In the overnight hours, we are drying out for mostly cloudy conditions and lows in the 30s. Those lake effect snow showers are expected to pick back up for scattered showers tomorrow. We will be drying out tomorrow evening into Wednesday, and another system does come in on Thursday, giving us some rain and some scattered snow showers on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Sunday marked World Diabetes.
We're saying good morning to Ilion and all of the greater Utica region. Here's an estimated snowfall map of the snow that fell last night and will continue to fall here this morning. 1 to 3 inches is expected in the North Country, so like northern Herkimer County and northern Oneida counties. A trace to an inch of snow is expected for the Mohawk Valley and for the southern valleys. This will come to an end later on today for some rain to move in as that temperature does rise into the 40s. But this is all from lake effect snow, so that cooler air from that low pressure system is moving over the warm Lake Ontario. This is causing evaporation and creating snowfall in our area. So after the snow all clears out, the next good day to kind of do any yard work or rake those leaves that are still kind of out there would be either late tomorrow, because that snow is going to end tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, or Wednesday. We will remain dry, but it will be mostly cloudy out there. I'll have another look at your commute forecast coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A new study found that more people.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are still seeing a few lake effect snow showers here this morning. We are also seeing some rain mixed in there in the Mohawk Valley. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam. Right now, we are seeing mostly cloudy, overcast skies all in our areas. And here in Utica, we are seeing a few scattered mixed showers here. But if we look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, up in northern Oneida County, just north of Rome, as well as in the Old Forge area, they are seeing some snow showers here this morning. And again, this snow is sticking to the roadways, to the grass, and to just surfaces. So be careful this morning if you are traveling in any of these areas. This is because we still have a low pressure system lingering in our area. This will continue to push east for the day today. We are still going to see that lake effect snow showers kind of forming throughout the day, turning into a mix later on when that temperature rises near 40 for our high. But this morning in the North Country, we are ranging in the freezing levels up there. Mohawk Valley, they are in the mid to upper 30s here this morning. But if you do live in the northern Oneida, you are in the freezing levels as well. That is why that snow is sticking. Down in the southern valleys, they are around freezing levels as well, so it is sticking down there as well. On our skycast, we see we will be mostly overcast today with lake effect snow showers here this morning. Once that temperature does rise a little bit, we will see a mix of rain in there as well. This will all come to an end in the overnight hours tonight. It will remain dry, but it will pick right back up again tomorrow morning. We will see some snow showers once again, especially for the southern valleys here tomorrow. This will all wrap up tomorrow evening, and we will be dry on Wednesday. But for today, we have a high near 40. These snow showers this morning will kind of turn into a rain or a mix later on in the afternoon. As we get to the overnight hours, we will dry out with a low in the freezing levels. So for tomorrow, those lake effect scattered snow showers do pick right back up. They will end tomorrow night and for the day on Wednesday. On Thursday, we are receiving another cold front pushing through, so we will get some rain on Thursday and more scattered snow showers on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The National Weather Service confirmed 2 tornadoes touched down on Long Island on Saturday. Investigators with the National Weather Service looked at several areas where severe weather rolled through. They confirmed that 2 EF0 tornadoes touched down, one in Nassau County and one in Suffolk County. Maximum sustained winds were 85 miles per hour. According to meteorologists there, this is the first time a tornado has ever hit Nassau County during the month of November.
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing a few scattered snow showers here this morning. This will kind of drop off in the overnight hours tonight, but as we get into Tuesday morning, jumps right back up again to probable And as we get into the evening hours on Tuesday into Wednesday, we will be drying out and we will be dry for the day on Wednesday. So if you are heading out to school this morning, you may see some snow out there. Temperatures in the 30s when you're heading home, a mix of some rain and the snow, and a temperature near 40. So I would maybe bring the umbrella. It is going to be raining a little bit later, so better safe than sorry. When grabbing the coffee this morning, I would be opting for the large. It is not as cool as it has been. Temperatures are in the 30s. We are seeing some light snow out there, and that will be the case for today and for tomorrow. I'll have a look at your day planner coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. A team of
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We are seeing a few scattered lake effect snow showers and some rain showers here this morning. Let's take a look at our CAV tower cam. Again, we are seeing mostly overcast skies in most of our areas this morning because of these lake effect showers. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing the most snow showers right now in northern Oneida County, and just south of northern Oneida County, we are looking at Rome right now with a few scattered snow showers as well. I'm going to come off the camera real quick and put on the radar because I realized it was the wrong graphic. But here's the radar. We are seeing these snow showers because we are looking at this low pressure system kind of still in our area. It will continue to push eastward throughout the day today, and those lake effect showers will diminish for the overnight hours tonight, but they will start right back up for tomorrow. Our temperatures this morning are ranging in the upper 20s to 30s. We are in the freezing levels up in the North Country. We are in the 30s here in the Mohawk Valley. And we are in the freezing levels in northern Oneida County here this morning. So that snow is sticking where the areas are in those freezing levels. Down in the southern valleys, they are in the freezing levels as well. So that snow is sticking down there as well. Mostly overcast skies today with lake effect snow showers this morning. Once that temperature reaches a high of 40, we'll see a mix of rain and snow because it is fairly warmer than the freezing level of 32. It will still be lake effect snow showers once the sun sets, but then in the overnight hours, we will begin to dry out. As we wake up tomorrow, we will be seeing some more lake effect snow showers, but this all wraps up and comes to an end tomorrow evening, and we will be dry on Wednesday. But for today, we have a high of 40 degrees. That snow showers will kind of turn into a rain or mix later on here this afternoon. We'll be dry overnight with lows in the 30s, but we will see some more lake effect scattered showers tomorrow. We will be drying out tomorrow evening and on Wednesday, and our next chance of rain comes in with a cold front on Thursday, and we'll be seeing some snow showers once again on Friday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The National Weather Service confirmed tornadoes touched down on Long Island on Saturday. Investigators with the National Weather Service looked at several areas where severe weather rolled through. They confirmed that 2 EF0 tornadoes touched down, one in Nassau County and one in Suffolk County. Maximum sustained winds, 85 miles per hour. According to meteorologists there, this is the first time a tornado has hit Nassau County in the month of November. A new study found that...
Welcome back. We are waking up this morning with a few scattered lake effect snow showers and some rain showers here in the area. Our temperatures right now, if we take a look at right now temperatures, we are in the 30s in the Mohawk Valley, ranging in the freezing levels up in the North Country, and the same thing goes for the southern valleys. So on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are still seeing a few lake effect snow showers up in northern Oneida County. They are in the freezing levels at this moment, so that snow is currently sticking. Here in Rome and in Utica, it is looking more like rain because the temperature is above freezing. Up in the Old Forge area in the North Country, that snow is sticking as well, and the snow that they are receiving in the southern valleys is sticking. So if you do live in the area where your temperature is in the freezing level, it is expected to stick. So as you're heading out the door this morning, just be careful of those snow showers when driving. This will kind of turn into a mix with some rain in the afternoon, so just be careful of that as well. It will turn into rain once that high temperature reaches 40. It will be mixed, but we will be drying out in the overnight hours once again. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. The local rescue mission actually played a role in that accident, but this was the scene this morning in Remsen. Many parts of the North Country saw 2 to 3 inches of snow blanketing the hills and roadways. Crews were out early sanding and people obviously wiping off their car right there. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now. And Hannah, quite a sight up north, but not much down here, right?
Yes, in the Mohawk Valley right now, we aren't really seeing anything, but up north and even down south, they have some snow accumulating here this afternoon. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are still seeing scattered lake effect snow showers, especially right now up in the North Country and as well as the southern valleys. This was not the case here this morning, but it is now. On our Mesonet cameras, we do see a lot of areas do have that white snow on the ground, and some of our areas, especially in the Mohawk Valley and some areas also in the southern valleys, do not have any accumulation on the ground. So we do have that lake effect snow turning into like a mix and rain here today. A little accumulation in areas that do have those higher elevations. This will all wrap up tomorrow afternoon. But for today, we still have some snow here this afternoon with a high in the 40s. It will die down for tonight, but then start back up tomorrow. I'll be tracking all that out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Fire investigator.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing some scattered lake effect snow showers here in our area this afternoon. Let's take a look at our CAVV tower cam. Now here in Utica, we are just seeing some light rain in our area as well as overcast skies. But again, this isn't the case in other areas. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing lake effect snow showers up in the North Country here this afternoon, as well as now in the southern valleys. Earlier this morning, we were just kind of seeing the snow up in the North Country and a little bit in northern Oneida County here this morning, but now it has become a little bit more widespread with the exception of the Mohawk Valley. On our radar and satellite, we see this is because we have a northwest wind right now. This wind is blowing over Lake Ontario and bringing in these scattered snow showers into our area here this afternoon. Once that temperature rises to above 40, the snow could turn into a rain mix. But temperatures right now are ranging in the 30s. We are in the lower 30s up in the Big Moose area as well as in the upper 30s in the Mohawk Valley. Down in the southern valleys, they are in the 30s as well. But it is feeling a little bit chillier with that wind out there. So if you recall, Rome is at 39 degrees right now. It does feel like 33 degrees. So there is quite a difference in what it feels like with that wind chill occurring here this afternoon. Now here's a look at the snowfall for today and tomorrow. We are going to be getting some snow, but again, it isn't really sticking that much to the ground. So this is just a quick brush off, and we will be drying out for Wednesday and Thursday, getting some rain. So let's look at all of that on our SkyCast. Again, this afternoon, we are still seeing some scattered lake effect snow showers, and we'll be seeing that throughout the evening. Now, after 6 p.m., this will kind of die down for a mostly cloudy night tonight overnight. Waking up tomorrow, we will see some more lake effect snow showers start to pick back up again, and these will be more scattered tomorrow than they were today. A high tomorrow in the lower 40s. Now, this will all end tomorrow evening into Wednesday. Wednesday, we will remain dry, but it will be mostly cloudy throughout the day. A little bit warmer with a high near 50. But for today, we have a high near 40. Those rain and snow scattered showers are still occurring. And as we get into tomorrow, we will be seeing more of these scattered rain and snow showers, but they will be lighter than they were today. On our 7-day forecast, we are drying out on Wednesday, but it still will be mostly cloudy. We do have another cold front coming in on Thursday, bringing some rain into the area, as well as a few scattered snow showers on Friday. As we get into the weekend, we are drying out on Saturday, and scattered showers return on Sunday. Gary?
Hannah, thanks. With the holidays right around. Welcome back. Many parts of the North Country saw 2 to 3 inches of snow this morning, blanketing the hills and roadways, as many got their first real dose of snow this season. Take a look at this. This is Remsen around 8 o'clock this morning. Crews were out early sanding, trying to stay ahead of the accumulation. Meteorologist Hannah Evans joins us now. And Hannah, many wondering, is more on the way?
We are seeing some snow here this afternoon still from lake effect showers, and this will continue tomorrow as well, but it will be lighter in nature tomorrow compared to today. So here's a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Right now we are seeing lake effect snow showers as well as some mixed precipitation showers up in the North Country and down in the southern valleys. We are seeing some light rain here in Utica and Rome, and rest of the Mohawk Valley is kind of staying dry this afternoon. On our Mesonet cameras, we do see some snow accumulation on the grass in Coldbrook, Old Forge, Woodgate, and other areas we see no accumulation on the grass at all this afternoon. So we are still seeing that lake effect snow showers kind of mixed with rain, freezing rain as well. Little accumulation is expected if you live in a higher elevation area. This will all end tomorrow afternoon. But for today, we are still looking at some snow showers here this afternoon. We have a high near 40, and the snow will end overnight tonight, but then start right back up again tomorrow. And I'll be tracking all of this out coming up. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Austria.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. We are still seeing those lake effect scattered snow showers here this afternoon, and that will be continuing throughout the afternoon. Here's a look at our CAVV tower cam. Right now, we are seeing some snow up here on top of the hill. It was just raining, now has switched over to snow here this afternoon. On our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are seeing some scattered lake effect snow showers still persisting up in the North Country from this morning, and it has now moved into the Southern Valley areas. This is mixed with rain as well. That is that pink color down there. In the Mohawk Valley, most of the Mohawk Valley is dry, with an exception of a few rain showers just south of Rome and kind of into Utica, as well as a few scattered snow showers and some freezing rain showers here this afternoon. On our radar and satellite, we see this is because we are seeing a northwest wind right now. This is flowing over Lake Ontario, and that is what is giving us these lake effect showers here this afternoon. This is all expecting to dry out for the overnight hours tonight, but then it will start back up again tomorrow morning. Our temperatures right now are ranging in the 30s here this afternoon. In the freezing levels up in the Big Moose area, in the Mohawk Valley, we are in the upper 30s to 40s, and in the southern valleys, they are in the 30s as well. It is feeling a little bit chillier because of that wind that is coming in. So it is at 40 degrees right now in Rome, but with that wind chill, it feels like 30 degrees. So it is feeling about 10 degrees cooler outside than the actual temperature because of that wind that is coming in from the northwest. It is a bit colder. For the snowfall outlook for the next couple of days, for today and tomorrow, we will be seeing some lake effect snow showers. But again, it is still a little bit too warm for this to actually stick. I know it is sticking in some areas, but it is not sticking really on the roadways at this moment. So this just requires a quick brush off the car. We are drying out for Wednesday, and for Thursday, we are expecting some rain to come in instead of snow. So let's look at all of this on our SkyCast. We are still seeing some lake effect scattered showers here this afternoon. This will persist until the evening hours, but after that sun sets in the overnight hours, we will dry out to be mostly cloudy tonight. At 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, we will start to see these showers pick back up again, especially for the southern valleys, and this all will begin to dry out in the evening hours tomorrow. As we get into Wednesday, it will be mostly cloudy, but good thing is that it will remain dry. It will be a little bit warmer too, with a high at near 50 instead of 40. For today, we have a high near 40. Those rain and snow showers are still kind of lingering out there. And for tomorrow, a high in the low 40s. The scattered rain and snow showers are going to happen tomorrow. We are drying out tomorrow evening, and for Wednesday, the next chance of rain is on Thursday due to a low pressure system moving through. That will kind of bring some scattered snow showers on Friday as that temperature drops. But we are drying out once again for Saturday. Back to you, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. With the pandemic slow
Issues plus snow in the air could spell trouble this winter locally. State Senators Joe Griffo and Peter Oberack are urging the federal government to make state and local DPWs a priority. The computer chips needed for snow plows and other snow removal equipment are in short supply. These chips are necessary for the plow truck to heat up and move.
This potentially could be very problematic and challenging in order to do what they need to do in order to keep our roads clear and safe as we go through the next difficult several months that will be facing us in a traditional winter.
Griffo and Oberacker have sent a letter to the Department of Transportation urging that supplies be delivered and ready for the winter. And here comes the snow. Many parts of the North Country saw 2 to 3 inches of snow blanketing the hills and roadways. This is in Remsen. Crews were out early sanding, trying to get ahead of the accumulation.
If I saw that video without knowing, I would say that was file from last year. But that is today.
Exactly, today.
That is today.
Oh, that's not good.
Let's get you over to the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis, who has been tracking. You tracked that. Now what's to come?
Well, here's the thing. Areas that saw snow tonight, we're going to be watching for patchy black ice. As temperatures fall below freezing, any water on the roadways will likely turn to ice. And again, that's why we call it black ice, because it's difficult to spot. And again, I am concerned in areas that already saw snowfall. I think this is going to be not a major concern in the Mohawk Valley. Temperatures are expected to take longer to fall below freezing. So again, just something to keep in mind if you're heading out this evening, tonight, and very early tomorrow. Live look at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some scattered snow showers continue across the area. This activity is not as steady as what we saw last night. Again, a couple of other pictures of the snow from earlier today. This picture from Stratford. Current temperature is 38 degrees at Griffiths with clear skies, at least for the time being. Tonight, we're looking at partly cloudy skies. Overnight lows will drop, again, below freezing into the upper 20s. We are tracking some chilly weather here for tomorrow, but the weather does warm up. I'll have a look at the temperature trends coming up. Back over to you.
Afghan evacuee.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We continue to track chilly weather, even a few lingering snow showers in our area. Let's take a live look outside. Our Cavity Tower cam is looking pretty quiet. A heads up, if you are heading out this evening, as we fall below freezing, there could be some patchy black ice that develops. I'm most concerned about areas that saw snow earlier today or last night. Some of that snow melting onto the roadways, with combining that with temperatures falling below freezing over the next few hours, could lead to some icy spots. We're also on the fringe of the winter season, where we don't have that layer of salt or sand that's already out there. So again, just be extra careful and be mindful of that here heading into tonight as well as early tomorrow morning. Again, that could be an issue in some of the spots north and south of the Mohawk Valley. Live look at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Scattered snow showers continue to fly for many areas north and south of the valley. We will see a very light snow accumulation overnight from this, especially from in the hilltops south of the valley. But for the majority of central New York, the accumulation will be very light. Temperatures: Whitesboro 36, Rome 38, Loudville 35, Little Falls 36, across southern valleys, Skenevis 33, Sherburne with 35 degrees. And again, temperatures do cool off this evening. If you're taking the dog out for a walk, just keep that in mind. There could be a few icy spots outside of the Mohawk Valley. Tonight's featured dog is Lily. And if you want to be part of this, head to Bill's Buddies on Facebook. This is brought to you by Staffworks. The temperature trend is warming up. By the middle of the week, temperatures will be into the upper 40s on Wednesday. Thursday looks to be the warmest day of the stretch. We're into the low 50s before some cooler weather returns. Highs in the 40s again by Friday and Saturday. We're watching lake effect snow showers that continue as cool air is settled in, but as winds turn into the west, the cool air will depart, and with it, the lake effect snow. Again, tonight, some accumulation is expected, especially along hilltops north and south of the Mohawk Valley. A trace to as much as 2 inches of snow is possible. Storm Tracker 2 skycast tonight. Partly cloudy skies. Again, a couple of scattered snow showers in place. Temperatures will be dropping below freezing. More scattered rain and snow showers here Tuesday. The activity looks to be limited. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s. The weather does clear out as we head into tomorrow night. Then Wednesday, mostly cloudy skies. We will climb into the upper 40s Wednesday afternoon with some milder temperatures continuing into Thursday. Cloudy tonight, low of 28. Tomorrow, a rain or a snow shower. Temperatures near 40. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. We continue to see milder temperatures here up until Thursday, and then it does cool off. Some scattered rain and snow showers Friday. Saturday looks dry, and then a cold rain as we look ahead to Sunday and Monday. Coming up in a few minutes, we're talking about a lunar eclipse this week. We'll let you know when we will be able to see that locally.
Very cool, Bill. Thank you.
Thanks, Bill.
Southwest Airlines.
This week, a lunar eclipse. Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis is standing by to tell us and show us what we can expect and when. Bill, good evening.
That's right. Good evening, Jason. First of all, I just want to show you that the graphics that we're using tonight, they're called augmented reality graphics. We talked about a solar eclipse back in June. This was when the moon went in front of the Earth and it cast a shadow on the Earth, and we saw that very early that morning in June. This time around, we are seeing things in a different light. A lunar eclipse is when the Earth casts a shadow on the moon. So here's how the setup works. The moon moving around Earth will eventually see the shadow. This is going to be taking place very early Friday morning. And just a couple other things to mention about a lunar eclipse. The reason why we don't see a lunar eclipse every single month is because as the moon revolves around the Earth, it's not flat. The orbit is not flat and it tilts. So that's why these events are relatively rare. Here are the details for the lunar eclipse. This is going to be very early Friday morning. It begins at 2:30 a.m. The shadow will be 97% covering the moon, so it's not technically a full lunar eclipse, but hey, close enough. This will be at 4 a.m., and this event will end at 5:30 a.m. We will keep you posted on the cloud cover. We'll let you know if we might be able to see that here as we get closer to the event. Again, this is for Friday morning. Coming up, we're going to be talking about some black ice and how that forms and why we need to be on the lookout for that overnight. Jason, back over to you.
Bill, thank you. The live playoffs continue to...
Peter Oberacker are concerned the supply chain crisis could impact plow trucks this winter. Computer chips specifically, they're needed to run the trucks and other snow removal equipment. The senators are urging federal officials to make state and local DPWs a priority.
Good evening once again. Decision 20...
Meteorologist Bill Cardis. So really cool. Check out the moon. Now we're looking at the ice.
You know, you got to be careful this time of the year because even though there's not a lot of weather happening tonight, that doesn't mean that roads can't be slippery. And it also all has to do with the temperature. And when we have standing water on the roadways and temperatures fall below freezing, sometimes we have a situation where we get black ice. Now, black ice, the ice isn't actually black, but it looks like it because it forms on pavement. And it's a very thin layer of ice, which means it's very hard to see, and it's extremely thin. And again, it's just something that's very difficult to spot. We could see this tonight. I'm most concerned about areas outside of the Mohawk Valley. I think in the Mohawk Valley, it's going to take longer to drop below freezing for this. But still, just be careful. One thing that makes this issue more common is when we're on the fringe of the winter season and we don't have that layer of salt or sand that's already out there. So there's just a higher chance of seeing black ice in situations like tonight. So just a heads up there. Our winter weather outlook is going to be Thursday right here. This is where our weather team, meteorologist Hannah Evans and myself, will be giving you our best thoughts, or at least our best idea of what the winter could hold here. And again, we'll be giving our forecast for that on Thursday. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some scattered snow showers continue as we head into this evening and tonight. Temperatures will fall below freezing. We are tracking some milder weather ahead. Look at that forecast is coming up. Back over to you.
The White House estimates nearly
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We continue to track some scattered snow showers that are flying across parts of central New York. The activity has been staying out of the Mohawk Valley, at least for the past couple of hours. This is a live look at our CAVB tower cam. We can clearly see the city lights. So again, things are looking quiet for the moment. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. It's pretty active out there, but these snow showers are generally scattered and, for the most part, on the lighter side. Both north and south of the valley, we are continuing to see some bands of lake effect snow. We're expecting a light accumulation to take place overnight. Most areas pick up less than an inch of snow, and the bands will stay primarily outside of the Mohawk Valley. Bigger concern tonight, the drop in temperature. With the snow that has fallen already, with some of it melting on the roadways, as temperatures fall below freezing tonight, that could lead to a few icy spots. We call this patchy black ice, and there is the possibility of that taking place tonight, most likely north and south of the Mohawk Valley. So just something to keep in mind if you're going to be out and about tonight or early tomorrow morning. If you have to take care of the lawn, myself included, being a procrastinator, if you want to rake the leaves, the best day this week looks to be Wednesday. We'll get a chance to dry out. and also early Thursday. And again, as we look ahead, the opportunities are becoming more and more limited as our weather continues to change towards the cloudy and unsettled side as we approach winter. Alder Creek 32 degrees, Barneveld 34, Yorkville 37, Mike and New Hartford 36. Across Southern Valleys, Secoit 33, Richfield 39, Cooperstown 33, Milford with 33 degrees. And again, a lot of places are already close to the freezing mark. So again, as we continue after sunset, again, do watch out for a few icy spots to develop. Looking at the radar and satellite image, we are tracking a pool of cold air producing the lake effect snow showers. This will be heading to the east tonight. Again, some lingering snow showers could produce a light snowfall accumulation north and south of the Mohawk Valley. A trace of 2 inches of snow is possible overnight. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast, some scattered snow showers overnight. Temperatures below freezing as we head into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, still some lingering snow and rain showers from lake effect snow, but again, most of this is done and the activity looks to be limited. Tomorrow night, the weather clears out and the stage is set for a dry Wednesday with warming temperatures. We'll be back into the upper 40s. Scattered snow showers overnight. Again, do watch out for a few icy spots. We're down to 28 degrees. A passing rain or a snow shower tomorrow, a high of 40. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast, mostly cloudy Wednesday, 47. Light rain returns late Thursday, 52. Rain and snow showers are back Friday. Some cool weather to start the weekend. Rain on Sunday and Monday. We'll be right back.
Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis for a first look at your forecast tonight.
After seeing some accumulating snow overnight and today, especially along the higher elevations, we are keeping a close eye on the temperature. Some icy spots could develop tonight as temperatures fall below freezing. We call this black ice. And we're keeping an eye on areas north and south of the valley, areas that have seen snow accumulation. And again, just something to keep in mind as we head into tonight. Be on the lookout for a few slippery spots. So live look at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 top of the radar. We continue to track some lake effect snow bands moving through the area. These bands are generally scattered in nature, and they will continue as we head into tonight. Again, many areas north and south of the Mohawk Valley getting a late snowfall accumulation overnight. This picture from Stratford taken by Lynn. Our current temperature is 36 degrees. And as we head into tonight, we're expecting overnight lows to fall below freezing. So again, a couple of icy spots with some scattered lingering snow showers. We're tracking some warmer weather though in our future. Look at that forecast coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. And here comes the snow. Many parts of the North Country saw 2 to 3 inches of snow blanketing the hills and roadways. This video is from Remsen, where crews were out early sanding, trying to stay ahead of that accumulation. And with supply chain issues affecting the nation and, of course, here in New York State, State Senators Joe Grifo and Peter Oberacker have teamed up to urge the federal government to prioritize state and local DPWs. The New Hartford DPW has been impacted by the supply chain shortages. Computer chips for snowplows and snow removal equipment are in short supply, and these chips are needed for the plow trucks to heat up and move. So not only are these chips not getting into the trucks, other supplies are missing from the DPW as well.
And there's just like the truck behind us here. I ordered one of those back in March of this year for this winter, and it's replacing the truck that's 17, 18 years old, and it's not going to be here until next June. So again, it's because of pieces like chips and other things that the manufacturers can't get their hands on to build these trucks and get them to the municipalities and the DPWs, the state DOTs.
There are hopes that the letter that the senators have sent to the Department of Transportation, to the U.S. DOT, I should say, ensure that the ample supplies will be ready for winter that is coming fast.
Decision 2021, it is not
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We continue to keep a close eye on the temperature as we head into this evening. As temperatures fall below freezing, that could promote a few icy spots overnight. Let's take a live look outside. Our CAB Tower Cam is looking quiet as we look across the city of Utica this evening. That's not the case everywhere. We continue to track bands of lake effect snow. A live look at the Yorkville Battery, Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. These bands are not as widespread or as heavy as they were earlier today, but again, some snow accumulation is expected overnight as these bands generally settle across the region, both north and south of the Mohawk Valley. Tonight, keep an eye on things. Temperature-wise, we'll fall below freezing, and because we saw snow in some areas today, melting on the roadways, if we fall below freezing, or I should say as we fall below freezing tonight, that could promote a very thin layer of ice. This is called black ice. It's not actually black, it's just difficult to see, and it often happens on pavement. And again, this is a possibility tonight, just something to keep an eye on, not only tonight, but also first thing tomorrow morning. Temperatures are in the low 30s in most of our area. Gray 33, Curtis Corners 31, Paynes Hollow 35. Across the southern valleys, Secoit MJ with 33, Cooperstown 33, and West Lawrence checking in with 33 degrees. We're still tracking lake effect snow, and that will be continuing tonight as well as tomorrow. But as cold air will eventually retreat from our area, the lake effect snow will very slowly come to an end. Again, tonight, do expect to see a light accumulation of snowfall, again, both north and south of the Mohawk Valley. Snowfall accumulations ranging between a trace to as much as 2 inches. Again, this is for tonight. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast again tonight. Some scattered snow showers. Temperatures fall below freezing. Tomorrow morning and into tomorrow afternoon, this band of lake effect snow is still there, producing some light rain and snow showers. It will be very limited, though. Heading into tomorrow night, the snow and rain showers do come to an end, and we're looking at overnight lows dropping below freezing. On Wednesday, we're expecting a dry day. With a push of some mild air, temperatures will climb into the mid to upper 40s. Forecast for tonight, some scattered snow showers, a low of 28. Again, watch out for a few icy spots tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, some scattered lake effect rain and snow showers. Little accumulation is expected tomorrow afternoon, a high of 40. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Dry on Wednesday, 47, mostly cloudy, a generally pleasant day. Thursday, rain returns later in the day. Temperatures in the low 50s. That rain is part of a strong cold front. We're back into the low 40s Friday with some rain and snow showers. Saturday looking dry, and a cold rain is in the forecast as we look ahead to Sunday and Monday. We'll be right back.
Bill Karnes. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. We're tracking the possibility of black ice tonight, and we're taking a look at where it comes from and what it's caused by. Basically, what's happening is temperatures are falling below freezing, and because we had snow earlier today, snow this evening, untreated surfaces can become very slippery, particularly bridges and overpasses can turn quite icy here. And it's just something to keep in mind as temperatures fall below freezing tonight. Going to want to be on the lookout for some icy spots. In fact, current temperature is 33 degrees, so we're very close to freezing. We'll likely fall below freezing as we head into tonight. A live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar showing some scattered lake effect snow showers continue as we head into this evening and tonight. A light accumulation of snow is expected first thing tomorrow. Snow showers tonight, low temperature of 28 degrees. We are tracking some warmer weather ahead. A look at that forecast and also a look at conditions at the bus stop. And that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. More than 20 cats died.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Karnes.
Good evening. We're taking a live look outside, overlooking the city of Utica. This is our Cabby Tower cam. We had a round of light snow here on Smith Hill with some light accumulation from some lake effect. That band has drifted to the south, and that is where it's setting up tonight. It's a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We can see some accumulating snow across Madison and northern Chenango County, and also some of the hilltops in Otsego County seeing some snow. There will be an accumulation of snowfall here as we head into tonight and early tomorrow. We're also looking at conditions to do outdoor chores. If you still have to rake the yard, and I know some people still do, looks like Wednesday is going to be the best day for that. Then we have some rain that will be arriving on Thursday, so going out earlier is better than later. Temperatures are going to warm up this week. We'll be into the 40s tomorrow, just 240, but we'll notice the change on Wednesday. Thursday, we're into the low 50s before some cooler weather returns as we look ahead to Friday and Saturday. So the lake effect snow is still lingering around. This is due to cold air in place and a wind. This will continue as we head into tonight as well as tomorrow. But as the air slowly warms up, so the lake effect will come to an end. Again, expecting to see some accumulating snow generally south of the valley this evening. A trace to 2 inches of snow will be the norm for Otsego, Chenango, and Madison counties. Tonight, again, in addition to those snow showers, I do want you to pay attention to the temperature, because as we fall below freezing in spots, that could promote some patchy black ice first thing tomorrow morning. So just something to be mindful of as you're heading out. We're still tracking some lake effect snow showers and rain showers throughout the day tomorrow. The activity looks to be limited to areas west of Utica. Temperatures will be on the chilly side with, again, highs only near 40 degrees. We do get a chance to dry out as we head into tomorrow night. And Wednesday, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures start out in the 30s, and we're expecting high temperatures Wednesday afternoon to climb into the mid to upper 40s. Forecast for tonight: some scattered snow showers, some light accumulation south of the valley, a low of 28. Again, do watch out for some slippery spots tomorrow morning. We're back into the upper 30s to low 40s in the afternoon with a few lingering rain and snow showers. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast: mostly cloudy Wednesday, 47. Thursday, another cold front arrives. High temperatures in the low 50s. That cold front brings rain and a drop in temperature for Friday. It will be cool over the weekend. Saturday, sunshine 40. A cold rain expected on Sunday and Monday. We'll be right back.
All right, let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis. Good evening, Bill.
Good evening, Jason. Good evening, everyone. Due to recent snowfall, we have the risk of black ice tonight as temperatures fall below freezing. Recall that black ice happens when we have water that's on the roadways that freezes over. It's most prone to happening along bridges and overpasses first. And again, if the roads are not treated, it causes all kinds of problems, and it can cause traffic accidents pretty easily. Black ice, it gets its name because it forms on pavement, and it's very difficult to spot. And as temperatures continue to fall tonight, that is something we'll be keeping an eye on. Speaking of the temperature, it is currently 34 degrees at Griffiths. The Mohawk Valley generally near or above freezing, but outside of the valley, it's a different story. We're already seeing many areas below freezing, and again, that possibility of some ice forming here tonight. Live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Some bands of lake effect snow continuing to impact Shenango and Otsego counties this evening, and that's where the snow will generally stay. We're down into the upper 20s. We are tracking some warmer weather. A look at the forecast is coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. More than 20 cats died in a fire in the town of Damube last night.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening and welcome back. We're taking a live look outside. Our Cabby Tower Cam is overlooking the city of Utica. We saw some snow accumulation here on Smith Hill, enough to coat the ground, even stick to the pavement, the parking lot, and some of the roads. The snow has drifted to the south. We are taking a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and this band of snow is now located in Shenango and extreme southern Otsego County. This is where it's going to hang out as we head into tonight. There will be some snow accumulation in the southern half of our area. Many areas picking up an inch or two of accumulation. Any accumulation of snow enough to make the roads wet could also make the roads slick as we head into tonight as temperatures fall below freezing. It's just something to keep in mind as you're heading out the door tomorrow morning. If you still have to take care of the yard, if there's still leaves out there that need to be cleaned and picked up, tomorrow is not the best day for that, but Wednesday will be a little bit better. We are expecting the weather to turn and give us a break. In fact, even into early Thursday should be a good day to rake at the yard. But by Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening, the next cold front's on the way, and you can see what it does to the temperature. We go from 50s on Thursday back into the 40s as we look ahead to Friday and Saturday. The radar and satellite picture continues to showcase a band of lake effect snow that is now pushed to the south as winds have turned into the northwest. The lake effect snow bands will gradually diminish and become weaker as we head into tomorrow, as the air will gradually warm up. Snowfall forecast again south of the valley could be talking about an inch or two of snowfall accumulation. This is primarily along hilltops. And again, that band of snow is going to continue but be very weak as we head into tonight and tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast. Tomorrow morning, mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures start out near freezing. That band of lake effect snow is still here, producing some rain and snow showers, but it's expected to be pretty light, and it will very slowly diminish throughout the day. Temperatures will climb into the upper 30s to low 40s. The weather does dry out for tomorrow night, and Wednesday, winds turn into the southeast, allowing for temperatures to climb back into the upper 40s, and we are looking at some warmer weather as we head into Thursday. Scattered snow showers tonight, especially south, a low of 28. And again, do watch out for some icy spots through tomorrow morning. Rain and snow showers continue into tomorrow afternoon, generally on the light side, high of 40. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Wednesday, we're up to 47, mostly cloudy skies. Rain develops Thursday with a strong cold front that knocks the temperature down with lake effect rain and snow showers for Friday. Saturday is looking dry and a cold rain is upon us again as we head into Sunday and Monday. We'll be right back.